Hello kids, welcome to our learning another new letter session of letters, alphabets. You know children that there are 26 letters in alphabets. So now many are consonants and 5 are vowels, right? And you know children, these vowels have ड्यूल साउंड मीन्स दो साउंड्स होते हैं. उनका एक नाम नहीं होता, उनकी एक आवाज नहीं होती. दे हैव टू साउंड्स. सो टुडे वी विल लर्न अ न्यू वॉल which has dual sound. But also we will focus only on one sound. And now here comes the letter I. Yes, this is letter I. I can say I. I can say I. Everyone repeat after me. I can say I. This is letter I. This is letter I. This is letter I. Very good children. You know children, this is letter I and has a baby eye also. It has a dot on the top, isn't it? It has a dot on the top. And now, let's look at its tracing first. For the tracing, you need to draw. But, tell me first, what do you need to take out? Which finger? Abracadabra, and here comes my index finger. Yes, you are right. So everyone quickly take out your index finger, ready to move in the air. So now children, make one standing line. As you can see on the screen, make a standing line and on the top draw a sleeping line to cover this eye. Alright, and from the bottom, draw another sleeping line to close the way of this eye. Okay, so now remember the length of these sleeping lines must be the same. ऐसे नहीं करना कि एक बड़ी बना दो और एक छोटी बना दो. No, not at all. That will be wrong. You have to make eye of same length as in the center. You have to make eye of the same length as on the top and on the bottom. Okay. Now you all can draw this lowercase I easily. A standing line and the dot over it. Cute dot, isn't it? Yeah. And this I has a sound E. It has a sound E. E. Igloo. I says E. As in igloo. I says E. I says E. As in ink pot. What is ink pot, children? Ink pot is a bottle, a small bottle which has ink inside it. You know children, some people uses pen which has the ink and can be filled through the ink pot. A pot which has a ink in it is called a ink pot. Okay, now moving to the next vocabulary word. What you can see? This is a picture of a baby. And you know children, a newly small baby is called an infant. It's infant. I says E. Igloo. E. Ink pot. E. Infant. E. Insect. E. Insect. E. Iguana. E. Iguana. So now you have seen so many vocabulary words with letter E. Don't forget to think about letter E, which has a sound in India also. India is our country where we all live. So India also begins with the letter I, which has a sound India. Inside. Okay? Now, it's time for all of us to have some fun. Sing aloud with action. Ready, children? Come on, everyone. Stand up and sing aloud with action. Inky the mouse is my pet. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink it spread all over the desk. The ink it spread all over the desk. E. Inky is wet. Inky is wet. Yay! What a lovely song it is. Isn't it, children? So now, keep revising this song. Until now, it's time for me to say bye-bye, goodbye. See you all in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.